Bubbles! Bubbles! Everybody loves bubbles!
You filming? You're not gonna be on YouTube, is it?
Looney Bin! He missed both, Dave. He had 2 shots.
Good morning. I'm back in the van, out on another adventure. At this RV park, they have also these homes like set up where you can rent.
Okay, so this is. That's the one.
There's my van. Whew. I think that's the biggest one here. Beautiful.
Good morning, how are you?
And we're on the upper deck of the pool and jacuzzi area here.
I mean, you could.
This is like the one my dad had made. Look at that. Well, that's different. It's square. I never see one like this. This is our little group right here. Had a good night's sleep. It's my second day. Whew.
What's there to do around here? You know this area better than me. We'd like to do some wine tasting, I guess, since we're here, and see some other stuff. Only one cousin came, and the girl that I was going to meet here, Isaura. She's right here. Yeah.
Isn't that cute, the salt and pepper shaker?
We gotta pay that guy $30 an hour to drive your car.
No, you're better. It's an old wine press. I love their rocking chairs. Let's go back here and take a look. You know, a lot of the amenities that they say they have are not available. So that's a big bummer. We wanted to do one of the vineyard tours that they have. They go to like several, and it's $65 per person. They don't have anyone to drive their shuttle.
I'll come here on a Tuesday.
Yeah.
Wow, there is.
Kids are just getting out of school, so you know it.
All right. Yeah, yeah. But
And
these
this-
sites are smaller.
And we call this glamping. There's the little bar here, and this is
Oh,
where they had
glamping.
the 4 to 6 wine tasting, and then it's a bar.
I really appreciate you giving us the tour. I'm really glad you came.
Otherwise, I wouldn't have known about this.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys should though. I mean, are you staying tomorrow too? You guys can,
Come here?
or you guys take a van and go towards Morro Bay, or just go check out Paso.
Now you get the feeling of you're at a vineyard.
Yep.
And so you can walk over to that vineyard and do wine tasting right there.
That
Cool.
wine, there's a winery right there. They
Yeah.
have a thing in the office that get 2-for-1 wine tasting
See,
pass.
next time.
They give you passes here.
I'd rather. Oh, look at that van. That's cool.
That's cute, yeah. They have some cute
Volkswagen
little...
van. See? This I think would be more our flavor.
Yeah, there's more our size here.
Yeah.
When we first pulled in, you seen the little houses?
Oh,
Behind those
look
little
at
houses.
these.
Is that where the pool is?
You can go to the pool this way too.
Oh, okay.
There's a hot tub up in the middle, lower level section.
I didn't realize that Robles was such a camping destination.
I was gonna go Monday, but then now she's talking maybe tomorrow. Change the lanes on me.
Yeah, I had no idea James Dean died on this highway.
Yeah, it's 46 and...
I just lifted it. What are you doing? The heat build up. What are you doing? Okay. He's gonna do it. My family, they don't drink much. That was
Woo!
Were you born here or in Portugal?
In the Azores.
Oh, really? From
Yeah.
what island?
At Treseda.
Oh, okay.
That fire is hot, Dave. I don't know how you're so close.
No, it's not that bad.
Are you feeling the
it's
fire?
I
there?
can feel it.
We have to upload a video, and I'm gonna have to share it because I didn't film shit over here. I'm sorry. I'm talking.
It's my last day here in Cava Robles RV Resort. But seriously, check out this breakfast sandwich.
Go look at the
Thank you so much. Come on, Daddy.
My old man bicycle.
Come on, Daddy. You can do it.
My old man bicycle.
What are you doing over there, David?
I am getting ready to go home.
This is my friend's van. I really like having that little counter cooking space there, and it's been really cozy. And I have to get my swivel so I can turn my seat around and sit like this. I love it. And just like that, everyone down this aisle where we were parked have left.
Oh, say hi.
Okay. Everything's packed up. Everything put away. And I'm ready to get on the road until my next adventures.
That pool sounds good.
Stay tuned.